AV Solutions, solutions for K-12 and enterprise.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name's Zach. I'm the product specialist here at Bretford, and today we're going to remind you about our classic AV line. We got 4 products to talk about today. We're going to go through the benefits of buying Bretford, our product values, and what we bring to the table, and some use cases that hopefully you can either recognize within your school or help a potential buyer out with. So the first thing I want to talk about is our book trucks. These have been something we make for over 75 years. People that we've sold them to 75 years ago, they still have them. These things last decades. Made in the USA. We've got 3 types of book trucks. This is the first one. It's our flat book truck. You can use it for a ton of different things. People use it in schools, they use it in libraries, they use it to wheel mail around the office, just storing things in general. It's got so many different uses, and people buy Bretford because first off, they can color code their products. So whether that means having some school pride and putting a logo on the side here, or color coding the carts to help run their business a little bit smoother. It's all something that Bretford does, and we deliver it fast. The second one is this single-sided angled book cart. If I tilt it here, you can kind of see it gives this downward slope to keep whatever you're putting here, whether that be books or tons of different stuff. You can be assured that when you're moving it, it's got this backstop to rest up against. And the third type is this double-sided angled book truck. All these can have color. These are our platinum colors. Again, 2-sided. Librarians love them. People that have large offices where they have to transport things from one end to the other, or a factory, they love our products because they know it's going to be the last one they ever need to buy. The second line that we're going to bring in is our adjustable height cart, another timeless cart. The first distinction between our adjustable height carts is you can always put a cabinet on it, or you can leave it open. The second thing is you can have 1 tray, you can have 2 trays, and each of those will be a different serial number. Both are adjustable height, and the other great thing is we have onboard power with 6 AC outlets. That's definitely something you want to check into when you're deciding between which AV cart to buy, adjustable height cart to buy, because some only have 3. Our power cord is 20 feet. It matters in a classroom, and it also matters in industrial. This is more of our industrial use case, because a couple years ago we came out with the mobile instructor cart, which is similar to the adjustable height cart, except this is really geared towards that teacher that is in a classroom every day. It's got 2 cup holders, and you can do the tray for the laptop. It's really smart the way that they designed it, because you could have your document camera here, your laptop here, and then instead of putting the cup holders here, we put them around back, so you're not, spilling your technology. You have this full area for a workspace, and you can always have your water bottle there, because all teachers carry around a water bottle with them. We found that specialists really like having these, because they can bring their classroom anywhere and secure it at night. This also comes with the cabinet option, and of course the 6 AC outlets with onboard power, 20-foot extension cord. We love when schools ask us to put a logo on the front cabinet. This is the front cabinet. As you can see, it's got a security lock with keys. That comes standard on all of our cabinet carts. And again, this use case is really geared towards that K through 12 teacher.
Flat panel cart.
we've got our classic flat panel cart as well. This is the fourth product that we offer under our AV line. We can support up to a 65-inch TV. Teachers, again, that hybrid solution for a hybrid classroom. With this laptop tray, they love teaching off it, displaying things to a larger audience. We've got the onboard power with 6 AC outlets, and teachers can store everything that they could possibly need for their classroom underneath. Super easy to maneuver, and the best thing about our product is it's UL certified. The tip test, it's amazing. We don't see these carts tipping over. You can be assured they're super safe. This is another classic cart from Bretford. So just to kind of reiterate, after going through all of our products, what is the warranty on our AV solution? 7 years, no nonsense. What is the typical lead time for these products? 10 to 14 days. We're USA manufacturing. I get to come into work every day and hear our machines bending steel and punching through metal, and it's American jobs, and it's awesome. It allows us to ship our products right to you instead of putting it on a boat, letting it go over to the ocean, waiting for it in a port. Our products go straight from our factory here in Franklin Park, Illinois, to you. Can the solutions with cabinets be secured? Yep, all of our cabinets come with a lockable key. Which solutions can be color and logo customized? The flat panel cart, you can get it in 16 colors. You can put logos on the book trucks and the cabinet carts. Colors on all of our carts, 16 colors. What is the power supply offering on AV solutions? The 6 outlet AC comes standard on the flat panel cart, and you can choose it as an option on our adjustable height carts or our mic carts. Again, 6 outlets, onboard power, 20-foot power cord. It really makes it easy for teachers to quick plug in, class is over, wrap it up kind of like a vacuum, and they're on and off to the next classroom. Thank you so much for joining us.
Order your solution by scanning the QR code.